Hey friends, I'm so glad you came here for this new Clear Spaces Clean with Me. I will get more into why I titled it that way shortly, but I wanted to start by welcoming you if you're brand new and thanking you if you're returning. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time with me. I recently got this duvet and the cover set came from HomeGoods. I have been enjoying them, so I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you were curious. And now I'm just going to spray some Febreze and then I'm going to move on to our nightstands. For my nightstands and the mirror, I am using the Jaws glass cleaner with the polishing cloth. I really love Jaws. I love the idea of not having a lot of bottles. You just get refills. If you've never tried them before though, my favorite is actually the kitchen cleaner and degreaser. So if you wanted to check them out and only wanted to try one, that would be my recommendation.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you.
Okay, y'all, let's chat. I want to talk about this Clear Spaces Clean With Me title. The reason I titled it that is because I get a lot of comments from people saying, oh, your house is already so clean. Our house looks clean most of the time because we don't have a lot of clutter, but that doesn't mean that it is. So we live comfortably in our home. We don't treat it like a museum. We like to have people over. My husband likes to cook. So our house gets dirty and dusty just like everybody else's. We are not superhuman. But when you don't have a lot of clutter and obstacles to work around, it makes it a lot easier to keep your space clean. So I know that we all live different lifestyles. We don't have kids or pets. So if you have a house full of kids or even just one child, if you have pets, if you have both, your home is just going to look different. I would hope it would. I think it would be kind of weird for your house to look like mine if you had children. So I'm saying all that to say, just have the minimum that you need to be happy in your own house. It doesn't matter how that looks. Just have the toys that your kids like to play with. You know, just have your pet toys that your pet likes to play with. You might like to have a lot more decor than I do. You might think my house looks too bare. That's totally fine. Just have what you need and what brings you joy. So the less that you have, the easier that it is to work around. And that's the only message I'm trying to bring. I've never told anybody their house needs to look like mine. I just want to motivate you to keep your space clean, and I think the best way to do that is to have the least amount of items to work around. I know that was a mouthful, but I just wanted to say that we all live differently. Our houses should be where we're happy, and however that looks is 100% fine. Just make it easy on yourself and try to just hang on to the things that bring you joy. I'm wrapping up the bedroom, and now I'm gonna head into our guest bathroom.
I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you? Do you want me to? Wanna be with you? You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want.
Hey y'all, I had to close the door real quick because my husband's back there with the music blasting, but I just wanted to give you some cleaning encouragement. When I made up the bed and, cleaned the bedroom, I left to go to the gym with my husband when he got home, and we got a really, really hard, good workout in. So when I came back, I didn't feel like doing anything, but this bathroom is really dirty. So I just said, look, I'm going to do a speed clean. I'm going to get it bearable. I always try to keep in mind, what if somebody came over? That's always the thing that keeps me going. So I just want to encourage you guys, if you don't feel like tackling something that needs it, maybe those two things will help you. If you do a speed clean, don't go too in depth. Maybe that'll motivate you. And then just think about, if by chance someone randomly came over and had to see or use your space, how would you feel? So I hope that helps. Now let's get this finished. I grabbed my soft scrub with bleach. Even though this is a quicker clean, the sink needed a little bit more attention, but I had forgotten my gloves, and I do like to use gloves when I use something that has bleach, so I grabbed those, and now we're gonna quickly get this all nice and shiny.
Wanna be with you? Do you want me to? Wanna be with you? You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. Stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay.
This is the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Cleaner in Honeysuckle. It is one of my two favorite spring scents. The other one is Peony. I like to go back over areas that I've cleaned, especially like the vanity, just to get off any lingering smudges or water spots. but it also smells incredible. Our guest bathroom is near the front door, as you can see, and it kind of permeates into the entryway. So if somebody did happen to come over, they would be hit by a wonderful smell and a clean bathroom. Another thing I like to do is go over the chrome with glass cleaner once I'm done with everything. I know it's already clean and this might seem like a lot of extra steps, but it doesn't take that long. It also gets off water spots and it makes chrome super shiny. When I can remember to dust things off before I clean them, life is so much better. It goes by a lot faster and you don't get all of those clumps of dust. So I did remember to do that for this mirrored tray. I just used the same microfiber that I had the Mrs. Meyer's on. Got the dust off, and now I'm going in with a glass cleaner, and that made it a lot easier. And then when I get to the toilet, I did the same thing. That cloth had already had it by then, so I was like, I'm just gonna wipe down the toilet, get the dust off, and then I'll clean it. It made things a lot easier, and for your viewing pleasure, I will speed up the toilet cleaning because I know not everyone enjoys that.
Boom, boom, shake, tear me apart, baby, your boom, boom, bomb, it rocks my world right, right. Hey, hey, all I need, I brought the fire to your gas.
Let me know if you guys have any Memorial Day plans. If you're watching this on the upload day, it's Sunday, and we're just having a few family members over this evening. Monday is my normal day off anyway, so I think I'm just gonna chill with the hubby. But I also just wanted to say, if you currently serve or have served in the military, thank you so much. And of course, to the family and friends of those who gave the ultimate sacrifice, I just want to thank you as well. And I hope you guys just keep in mind that this is not just a holiday. It is something that we really need to honor and just remember what it really stands for.
I wanna hear you say
I was trying to get away with not cleaning the baseboards, but they were dusty and it was pretty bad on this wall, so I just grabbed the Clorox wipes back out again to take care of those. If you guys are still hanging with me, leave me some purple hearts. That's my favorite color, and it just shows me that you're still here and that you're enjoying my content, and I greatly appreciate it.
and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of.
I was just doing the minimum that needed to be done today, but it still felt great to take care of it. I will have more motivational cleaning headed your way soon, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications. Thank you guys again for spending your time with me. I never take it for granted. I love you so much. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. And now I'm just going to give you a once over of my sparkly, smelling good bathroom.
Just wanna love you like I do.